face is fade to black as we move